Welcome to Daily Tax Savings. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on saving taxes and staying out of tax trouble. Today's topic is about the approaching nonprofit tax filing deadline of May 15th, and it is today, May 12th. So we're talking about 3 days away. The short message here is that if your small nonprofit has not filed their return yet, at least get an extension filed within the next 3 days. So I want to address two popular misconceptions about small nonprofit tax returns. The first is a misconception that there are no penalties for filing late. Uh, in the past few years, I have seen more penalties assessed for late filing of small nonprofit tax returns than all of my first probably 4 decades in the field put together. So yes, IRS is issuing penalties, and it's an automated penalty. They get it's not a human that gets involved. They get the return late, and automatically the penalty notice is sent out, and the penalty can be substantial. And waived, rather not do it in the first place. Uh, uh, Second belief, I guess, that tax returns and taxes don't need to be filed and paid for nonprofits. That is often a misconception. Nonprofit organizations do pay many types of income taxes. They don't pay income taxes, but they pay other types of taxes, employment taxes, local taxes. I have one to do that owes a sales tax obligation. So there are other types of taxes that are due, just not regular income taxes for exempt nonprofits. The belief about the non-filing requirement, I think, stems from the fact that small 501(c)(3)s, that is charities under 50,000 gross revenue, are not issued a penalty if they don't file on time. But if 3 years go by, IRS automatically revokes their status. And we've seen that happen, and getting that status reinstated can be expensive and tedious. So we have seen that. The second point of confusion on the non-filing issue is that people make the mistake of assuming that all nonprofits below 50,000 don't have a filing requirement, and that's not true either. Even a small dollar income for a private foundation, which is, by the way, the default when you apply for nonprofit status. Private foundation is the default type of organization that IRS will issue a nonprofit status until and unless you show reason otherwise while you meet the charity requirements of 501(c)(3). But if your nonprofit is a private foundation, which is very common, you need to file the return regardless of how small your gross receipts might have been. I hope that's useful. I welcome any feedback or comments online. Easy to reach online through comment section, or if you want to talk with me one-on-one, that's easy to do also. Find me at taxproblems.cpa and click the Let's Talk button. I'll be back tomorrow with another Tax Savings Minute.